Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is your Longo Vloggers, Kliff and Michelle Vlog. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga latest namon ng mga video. Alright, it's another tour dito po sa Iloilo City downtown area. And it's called Sunburst Park. Alright, teleport! Sunburst Park, located in front of the Iloilo Customs House along Basa Street. The park used to be known as Plaza de Aduana after the Spanish word for customs. It was renamed Sunburst Park in honor of the U.S. Army 40th Infantry Sunburst Division that helped liberate Panay from the Japanese at the end of the World War II. The Sunburst soldier captured La Paz, Haro, and Iloilo City 2 days after they landed on the beach of Parara in Tigbawan on March 18, 1945. Civilians warmly welcomed American forces with gifts of eggs, fruit, and candies made from kamote and coconuts as they marched towards Iloilo City. Major General Isaac Rupp Bruce, chief of the Sunburst Division, addressed U.S. soldiers and Filipino guerrillas gathered at the Plaza de Aduana that afternoon. The crowd also occupied Mapa Street and the portion of Basa Street while Bruce spoke to them from a podium at the Iloilo Custom House. Since then, the plaza came to be known as Sunburst Park in honor of Bruce, November 7, 1889 to March 6, 1958 and his men. Alright, may namit ako ng mga college students and nag-ask sila kung ano ang aming channel name sa YouTube. Ayan, search lang da Kliff and Michelle Vlog. Ano nga mo ngalan sa YouTube. Thank you sa support ha. Thank you. Nako guys, bye. Alright, this ends Sunburst Park Tour. Sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout, comment lang down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell button to update you in our latest video. Bye!